Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about exponent and powers. Law of exponents we already discussed in previous video, and we already solved exercise 12.1 question number 1 to 3. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about question number 4 of exercise 12.1. So let's see what is the question number 4. Evaluate 8 power minus 1 into 5 power 2 divided by 2 power minus 4. Okay, so let's see 4 part 1 8 power minus 1 into 5 power minus 3 divided by 2 power minus 4. Okay, this is a question given. So you can write it 8. So you can write it 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, so here you can see power of 2 is nothing but 1. So you can write also to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1. I hope all of you remember this law of exponent. A to the power m into a to the power n. This is equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay. If base are same, then power will 8. Okay, so here you can see base are same and the power of each to have nothing but 1. So you can write 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2 power 3. Okay, and here we can write it 8 is equal to 2 power 3 whole power minus 1 into 5 power 3. Here you know if 1 by a power minus a, you can write it a to the power a. Okay, so here 2 power minus 4, you can write it into 2 power plus 4. This is clear. Okay, and you also know here you can see a power m whole power n. This is equal to a to the power m into n. Clear? As here you can see 2 power 3 whole power minus 1. Then you multiply 2 into minus 1, it's become minus 3. Okay, into we can write it into 2 power 4 into 5 power 3. You know commutative rules. A into b, this is equal to b into b. Okay, so for this rules we can do it. We write first it, after this it. Okay, so here base are same, so power will add. So you can write it 2 power minus 3 plus 4 into 5 power 3. Clear? So here minus 3 plus 4, it's become 1. It's become 2 power 1 into 5 power 3. 5 power 3 means you can write 5 power 3 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. This becomes 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125. 125. So here you can write 125. And this is equal to 2 power 1 means 2. So 2 into 125, this is equal to 250. Okay. So student, now we are going to discuss the second part of question number 4. Student, this is the second part of question number 4. Question 4 has evaluated. We find the value 8. Okay. So you can see here 5 power 1 yeah, into 2 power minus 1, 5 power minus 1 into 6 power minus 1. Okay. So I hope all of you remember this law of exponent a power minus m is equal to write 1 by a power m. Clear? So also we can write it 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 into this is also 1 by 6. Clear? So 5 to the 10, 5 1 into 1 1, 5 into 2 10 into 1 by 6. So again 1 into 1 it's become 1 and 10 into 6 it's become 60. Okay, in this way you find the value of this problem. Now we are going to discuss question number 5 of this exercise 12.1. Question 5.5, find the value of m for which m to the 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. So let's see how to solve this question. Student, this is a question and we find the value of m. What you find? Value of m. What is the value of m? Okay, so here 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 1 is equal to 5 power 5. Okay, so here you can see base are same, 5 base are equal. So according to exponent law of exponent a power m minus a power m, this is equal to a power m minus. Okay, so you can also write it 5 power m minus 3, okay, is equal to 5 power 5. Here now minus into minus, this becomes plus. So we write here m plus 3, this is equal to 5 power 5. Okay, clear? Now comparing both sides. So here you can see both sides. If you comparing both sides. Both sides. We have, okay, if you compare both sides of power of 5, so here power of 5 is m plus 3 is equal to power of 5 is m. If a power t is equal to a power x, okay, if base are same, then and they are equal, then power is also equal. Okay, so t is equal to x. This is clear. If base are equal, you can see here base are a, so power is also equal. Okay, so according to this law, we can compare here both sides base are equal, then power is also equal. So you can write m plus 3 is equal to 5. So also you can write it m is equal to 5 minus 3, or you can say m is equal to 2. The value of m is 2. You find. So now we are going to discuss 6th question of this exercise 12.1. I hope all have understood this question number 5. First, we use law of division of exponents. In this rules, we if base are same and the case of division, then we subtract the power. And after this, we use this. If base are same, then power also is equal. Okay, base are equal, power is also equal. A power t is equal to a power x. So t is equal to x. So in this way, we compare the power of both sides of 5 and we obtain m plus 3 is equal to 5, and in this way we find the value of m is 2. Now next question 6, evaluate. Okay, so let's see question number 6 part A. 1 by 3 power minus 1 and minus 1 by 4 to the power raised to the power minus 1. This is equal to power minus. Okay, so here this is given, and we find the value of this. So you know a by b power minus m. This is equal to b by a power plus a. We just write it's a reciprocal, then power also will be positive. Okay, so according to this law, you can write it as 3 power 1 whole power 1 plus 4 minus, according to this law you can write like this 4 by 1 power 1 and whole power is minus 1. So 3 power 1 itself 3, 1 power 1 itself 1, minus 4 power 1 itself 4, and 1 power 1 is also. Okay, so we can write here 3 by 1 minus 4 by 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to, you can write 3 by 3 minus 4 or minus 1. This is equal to minus 1 power minus 1. Okay, so also you can write it, this is power minus 1. So according to this rule, a power minus m, you can write it 1 by a power m. Okay, so you can write it 1 by minus 1 power 1, or you can write it 1 by minus 1. Okay, if you multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1, then you obtain minus 1 by 1. This is equal to minus 1. Here it means that the value of this problem is equal to minus 1. The second part of this question number 6. Okay, this have 5 by 8 power into minus 7 minus 7 into 8 by 5 minus 4. Okay. So here base is 5 by 8 and here base is 8 by 5. So first we change it, you know, A by B power minus M. This is equal to B by A power M. Clear? So according to this law, we can write it 5 by 8 power minus A1 into it's become 5 by 8 power 4. Clear? And now here you can see base are equal 5 by 8, 5 by 8, but power is different, so you can write it 5 by 8 power is minus 7 plus 4. You know 8 to the power m into 8 to the power n. This is equal to 8 power m plus n. Clear? So you can write it and we obtain 7 plus 4 is minus 3. So we find 5 by 8 to the power minus 3. So as we use this law, a by b power minus m is equal to b by a power plus m. So you find that 8 by 5 power 3. This is equal to so you can write it 8 multiply itself 3 times 8 into 8. So 8 into 8 64, 64 into 8 512 512 by 5 power 3. It means that 8 power 3 and 5 power 3. So 5 power 3 means 5 multiply itself 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. So it's become 5 5 the 25 and 25 5 the 125. 125. So this is your answer. In this way, we are complete the question number 6. Okay. Now next question and last question of this exercise 12.1 is question number 7. Question number 7 have simplify it. Okay. So students, you can see question number 7 part 1 25 into t power minus 4 25 into t power minus 4 in divided by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t power minus 8. Okay. So 25 and this is equal to t does not is equal to 0. If t becomes 0, so this is equal to 25 into 0 0 and at 5 power minus 3 into 10 into 0, this becomes also 0. So this becomes 0 by 0. This becomes 0 by 0. This is undefined. Okay, so you can't simplify it. So the condition is given t does not is equal to 0. So let's see how to solve it. 25. This is 25. You can write it 5 into 5. Okay. So here you can see 5 into 5 base are equal, but here power is nothing but 1. Okay. So you can write it power 5 power 1 plus 1. This is equal to 5 power 2. So you can write in the place of 25 5 power 2. And here this is 10. So you can write 10 is equal to 2 into 5. Okay. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. So next step you can write 25 in the place of 25. You can write 5 power 2 into t power minus 4. Okay, here, and into you can write here t power minus 8. Here t power minus 8. So you know, if you have, okay, 1 by t power minus 8, you can write it t power plus 8. Okay, so for this we can write here t power 8. Now here in denominator we have 5 power 3, sorry, minus 3 into, you can write 10, 2 into 5. Clear? Now here 5 power 1 and here 5 power minus 3. Base are same, so power will 8. So you can write here 5 power 2 into, here t power minus 2 or minus 4 into t power plus 8. So both are base are equal, so power will be 8 according to the first law of exponent. So you can write here minus 4 plus 8, and here you can write 5 power minus 3 plus 1, because here 5 power nothing, but you can say 5 power 1. You can write here 5 power 1. So here base are equal, 5 into 5, 5 base are equal, so power will 8 and into 2. This is clear? Now this is equal to, you can write 5 power 2 into minus 4 plus 8. This is equal to 4. So 4 by, here you can see minus 3 plus 1. 5 power minus 3 plus 1. This is equal to what? 5 power minus 2 into 2. Okay. Now you can write here 5 power 2 into, if you take, you can write it 5 power also 2 into t power 4 divided by 2. This is clear? So here you can see base are equal, then power will 8. So 5 power 2 into 5 power 2, it's become, we can write it 5 power 2 plus 2 into t power 4 divided by what? 2. So also you can write it 5 power 2, like 5 power 4 into 3 power 4. This is equal to 2. So 5 power 4 means 5 power 4 means 5 multiply 4 times itself. Okay. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So 4 times. So you multiply 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125, and 125 into 5, 625. So it will become 625 into t power of 4 divided by. This is your solution. Okay, and now let's see second part of this question. So student, you can see second part of question number 7. This is a 3 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 125 divided by 7 power minus 7, sorry, 5 power minus 7 into 6 power minus 5. Okay, so first 125, we can write 125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, this is equal to 5 power. Okay, this is equal to 5 power 3. Now, and 10. 10 is equal to, you can write 2 into 5. So if we have 10 power minus 5, this is equal to 2 into 5 power minus 5. It means that you can write it 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5. This is clear? Minus 10. 10 is equal to 2 into 5, you know very well. And 10 power minus 5 is equal to 2 into 5 power minus 5. And you can write it 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5. This is clear? You use this formula. A into B power m is equal to A power m into B power m. Okay? This is clear? So similarly, here 6 as 6 power minus 5. This is equal to 2 into 3, 6 power minus 5, and this is equal to 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. Okay, so we put all these value in given problem and we will try to solve it. Okay, so let's see. Here this is given 3 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5. You can write 10 power minus 5 is equal to 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5. So this is equal to, replace 10 power minus 5 is 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5 into 125. You can write 125 is equal to 5 power 3. So this is equal to 5 power 3. Now this divided by 5 power 7, 5 power minus 7, and 6 power minus 5. So you can write 6 power minus 5 is equal to 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. This is equal to 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. Clear? So you can see here 2 power minus 5, 2 power minus 5. Both are cancelled. Clear? And 3 power minus 5, 3 power minus 5. This is also cancelled. Okay? Now, what is the remaining part? We have remaining part is 5 power minus 5. 5 power minus 5 into 5 power 3 divided by 5 power 7 into only 5 power 7. Okay. So first we can write it. Here base are same, 5 5. In the case of multiplication, so power will add. It's become 5 power minus 5 plus 3 divided by 5 by power minus 7. Okay, so this is equal to minus 7. So we obtain here 5 power minus 2. Okay, and if we transfer in the numerator, we obtain 5 power 7. Okay, so again you can see here 5 power minus 2 into 5 power 7. So this is equal to 5 power minus 2 plus 7. This is equal to 5 power 5. Okay, this is equal to 5 power of 5. Okay, and so in this way you can solve here. You use in this here 5 power minus 7. You use this exponents law. A power x is equal to 1 upon a power minus x. Okay, so you need this identity 1 upon a power minus x is equal to a to the power x. Okay, so according to this rule, we find this problem of solution of this problem is 5 to the power of 5. This is our next question. Okay, minus 2 by 3 power minus 13 into 3 by minus 2 power 8 is equal to minus 2 by 3 power 2x plus 1. Here we find the value of x. Okay, we need to find value of x. What is the value of x? Okay, so here minus 2 by 3, here minus 2 by 3. Okay, this is a 3 by 2. We change it. You know very well a by b power m. You can also write b by a power minus a. Okay, so according to this law of exponents, we can change it. So we write minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 power minus 13 as it is, and we change it. We can write it minus 2 by 3 power minus 8. This is equal to minus 2 by 3 power 2x plus 1. Clear? So minus base are, if you can see here, base are same, minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and power 13. Here this is 13 1. Okay, so minus 8. So we obtained here minus 2 by 3 power minus 13 minus 8. This is equal to minus 2 by 3 power 2x plus 1. Okay, so if you compare this, okay, so we obtain comparing both sides. If base are equal, then power is also equal. So you know very well a power x is equal to b power a power 3. So in both sides base are equal, then power will also equal. So this implies that x is equal to 3. Clear? So here you can say base are equal. So they imply that minus 13 minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 1. Or you can write 2x plus 1. This is equal to minus 13 minus 8 is equal to what? 21 minus 21. Okay, this is equal to 2x is equal to minus 21. We transferring this one to right hand side, we obtain minus 1. So in this we obtain 2x is equal to minus 22, or x is equal to minus 22 by 2, and this is equal to minus 11. Okay, so here you find the value of x is minus 11. This is our answer. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai.